Hello there. I have a great opportunity for you, and my name is Bambi Thompson, and I would like to invite you to a training for network marketers, which I call Quantum Confidence for Success and Sales. I am a brain coach, and I help people transform anxiety and accelerate their success with the unstoppable combination of neuroscience, mindset, the human energy body, and the law of attraction. So what I'm doing in this training for network marketing teams is teaching them how to identify what are the biggest vibrational frequencies that are blocking your success. Those frequencies come from your emotional state, your belief system, your goal trauma, your limiting beliefs, the beliefs about the industry itself. All of these things are carrying a frequency or a ripple out into this quantum matrix which is around us. And whether you acknowledge it or not, it is there. It is working on your business either in a positive way or in a negative way. And the sooner you understand how molecules are moved with the vibrational frequency of your thoughts and your beliefs, the sooner you're going to get on a trajectory to that vision that you have for what your life will be like with that network marketing business. Until you master the tools to be able to eradicate and silence your saboteurs and those energies that are going out, it's going to be a struggle. It's going to be exhausting. It's going to be frustrating, and you're going to see a lot of people taking off around you, and you're going to wonder why the heck you can't get out of your own way. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to find those stories and those sources of those vibrations that are negative. I'm going to teach you how to retrain them and change them into something positive that's going to magnetize to you what you want. I'm going to teach you how to turn on your quantum confidence so that when you are engaged in your business and you are engaged with your prospects, your attraction factor is very big, it's very magnetic, it's very compassionate, and it's very appealing. That's what we want. Because it doesn't matter what your product is, it doesn't matter what your words are, what they are responding to is the vibration that is coming off of your mindset and your belief system, and it's going bonk and it's hitting them. They're going to respond to the energetic frequency. So what I teach is how do you energetically do sales in a way that's very different than how you're doing sales now. I'm also going to teach you how do you cast a vision in such a way that your prospects are going to cock their head and go, man, I've never heard anybody talk about this before, because you're talking in a way that's going to trigger their heart. And we make sales when a person is engaged in their heart, not in their head. It's not about information. It's not about the product. It's in their heart. So I'm going to teach you kind of a magic formula or a magic approach to being able to speak in such a way that it's very compelling, and it opens it allows the person to drop their barriers, which they have, and allows them to open their mind and hear you on a different level than if you just bombard them with facts about your products. So, and then it's just being able to very strategically work with the law of attraction and employ it and literally lock arms with it so that you can begin to magnetize to you the perfect team members, the perfect clients, the confidence that you need, the prosperity consciousness that you want to have, and your money. It's like your money wants to come play with you too. And when you know how to work with the vibrational frequency of prosperity intentionally, then money starts trickling in and things start happening in your email and your phone calls and your texts and all of these things. So I hope you will join me for this very unique training. I am an occupational therapist by background, but I went way hard to the other side, to the woo-woo side. But I carry with me all of that neuroscience, all of that skill set of taking a uniquely wired brain and make it successful. And having these tools is going to impact not only your business, because everything you learn in this training is going to also be applicable to your relationships, to your health, to your wealth, into your happiness and joy. So I really hope that you will give yourself the treat of spending an hour and a half with me and learning some really magical tools that will really bring you greater success, more sales with more ease, and most importantly, with more joy.